Good morning to one and all. My name is Deepak Kumar Kustri and I am a PGT CS in Jawaharlal Navoday Vidyalaya, Lohardaga, Jharkhand. So today I want to present a topic about the third anniversary of National Education Policy. So before going to discuss about that, before going to tell about that National Education Policy 2020, so I want to tell one thing. National Education Policy, the education E, the term E present more important in National Education Policy, and what is the meaning of the National Education Policy and what is the E stands for? Because as we know, education can change everything in the world, because as we go for the patient, means a patient can die with the wrong surgery or wrong wrong using of doctor, but a bridge also collapse with the help of engineer. But one nation or one society can build with the help of education. So that's why E is education, enlighten and enrichment our society. So going through the education can reforms or education can change the society into a good and holistic nation. If we discuss the education, as we know, Nelson Mandela, the African social reformer Nelson Mandela, he told that a nation, if you want to break a nation or if you want to destroy a nation, so that means bomb is not sufficient. If we do the education into that such level or will degrade to such level or lower to such level, a nation will destroy. So now going through the education policy, and in education policy, what is the outcome of this national education policy and why it came into existence? After 1986, the former Prime Minister of Rajiv Gandhi, he proposed the NEP, and after 34 years of long back, after a long back, the new education policy 2020 is into Ministry of Education, and with the help of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, and we have to go for the national education policy. So there is many drastic change in after 34 years. There is many drastic change, because here there is no exam here, and many lessons are decreased, so bag books and everything. And we also go for the Indian heritage sites and skill education, technical education, everything, ICT also. Then different type of education is reformed and changed, and after that the main advantages of this is that 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1 3 plus 4 structure. So what is that 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 structure? 5 structure is that one is that preparatory stage. So in that preparatory stage, the 5 years is divided into two parts. One is 3 years plus 2 years, and that 3 years contains the pre-stage or pre-preparatory stage, that is called as our nursery, LKG, UKG, that is contains the age group of year 4, 5 and 6. And after that the standard 1 and 2 is there. So year 7 and year 8 is included under standard 1 and 2. After that 3, 4, 5, 3 years is there. Next 6, 7, 8 years is there, and 9, 10, 11, 12 is our secondary stage. So it is divided into preparatory stage. Then after preparatory stage, it is the foundational stage. After foundational stage, it is made of middle stage, and last is the secondary stage. And if we will go through the national education policy and we will implement and apply, then we can change our nation, we can change the education, and we can build a good nation. So we will go for this and hope that new education policy will implement very soon. So thank you all, have a nice day.